9 Best Passive Income Ideas in 2022. Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Passive income is income that continues to generate revenue for you even when you are not actively working. Sounds intriguing? So let us talk about the best passive income ideas for 2022. Before we continue, enjoy this video, please hit the like button, and subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming releases. Here is the list of the best passive income ideas and opportunities that can boost your income in 2022. Number 9. Renting your car. You can make passive income from renting your secondary car on popular car rental apps that put car owners in touch with car renters. You can offer a slight discount to increase your car's demand, and set a minimum amount of rental days to ensure you get more money for your time. So, this is one of the most passive ways you can make an extra income online at the moment. If you have a car you can rent for cash, you can make several $100s a month renting your car on those platforms. For example, 𝘽𝙚 is a car-sharing app that allows car owners to connect to people who need to rent a vehicle. Similarly, you can cover your monthly car payments or simply earn some extra cash by sharing your primary car on Turo whenever you're not using it. Number 8. Money-making websites. Many blogs earn revenue from Google Ads. What most don't know is that you can buy blogs from the owners and take them over. The ideal cases have evergreen content that generates passive income for years. Add some fresh content, and you'll increase traffic and monthly revenue. This also raises the possibility of earning money with site flipping. Alternatively, you can build a niche blog that targets a small subset of the blog's audience, increasing its value to the audience and advertisers. You can even increase traffic to all of your blogs by cross-linking to each of them. This is one of the better passive income ideas for those who want to do more than a blog on the same subject every day. Number 7. Starting a blog and monetizing it. The passive income through blogging has allowed many to stop exchanging time for money. For example, as a travel blogger, you can set up a WordPress blog and share your experiences with your readers. Whenever you go to a new place, you can write about all the cool things you saw and did there. You can make money in a few different ways. You can apply for ad programs like Google AdSense and set them up on the sidebar of your site. If any of them click through, you will get a small fee from your advertising partner like Google. You can also sign up for some of the affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is one of the various ways to make money online by promoting products or websites to earn a certain percentage as a commission. Number 6. Lending money to others for interest-based income. One of the best passive income ideas is to loan money to others and get paid in the form of interest. We're not saying to loan money to a broke friend who never pays you back. As a private lender, you can lend to anyone in your social circle. For example, many home fix and flip investors need access to a source of capital they can tap into very quickly to fund the initial purchase of their properties. You can partner with them to use your capital for the short term in exchange for an interest rate that is mutually agreed upon. You can also utilize peer-to-peer lending sites to loan money to others. The lending site collects the payments and provides more leverage when someone is late. You as a lender can lower your risk by diversification. Number 5. Earning passive income as silent business partner. One of the best passive income ideas most people have never heard of is becoming a silent partner in a business. Instead of lending the business money, you buy a stake in the business. Then you're paid a percentage of the profits, and your money is backed by a percentage of the assets of the firm. There are sites where you can search for businesses seeking silent partners. Instead of giving a friend thousands of dollars for a 10% stake in their restaurant, you can choose from thousands of startups or small businesses for one that looks good to you. Moreover, you can reduce your risk by investing in several startups. Number 4. Selling stock photos online. Stock photos can be a good passive income source if you love to take tons of pictures. You can get paid to sell photos online through stock photography websites such as Shutterstock. The photos can be from any niche such as travel, food, or any sports that you like to cover. You can put your images for sale as an independent photographer on various stock photography websites. While this can take time to build up if you take thousands of good pictures, but you would enjoy the whole process and time spent if love taking photos. After all, one of the goals of financial independence is to build wealth that doesn't eat up your time, so you can enjoy life and do the things you like to do. This is a great passive income idea because it pays you to do what you want to do anyway. Shutterstock, Pixabay, iStock Photo, Etsy, Getty Images are some of the best stock photography sites where you can sell your images and photos. Number 3. Amazon FBA. Amazon has become a great source of passive income for people who want to generate extra income for themselves. If you have something to sell online, you can use Amazon's platform. Amazon is huge. It's the third biggest website in the US. Amazon also offers a couple of different fulfillment strategies such as the Fulfillment by Amazon platform, also known as FBA. Its FBA program is just like eBay, where you have something to sell and just need to find buyers. The major benefit of using FBA is that you don't have to worry about a thing. Amazon stores your inventory at their massive warehouses and does all of the picking, packing, and shipping. Around the world, Amazon has more than 175 fulfillment centers which contain more than 150 million square feet of storage space. Number 2. Passive income through stock investment. Owning stocks and bonds to many doesn't seem like one of the best passive income ideas. Yet this is the very basis of private retirement accounts. You're buying stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that contain both so that you can live off the passive income in retirement. Companies need money to finance their business, so they earn it by either borrowing or sharing stocks through an IPO. An initial public offering, IPO, refers to the process of offering shares of a private corporation to the public in a new stock issuance. Investing in stocks of a company, you become one of its owners. When the market is down, this is the best time to buy stocks. If you aggressively save money and seek good value, dividend-paying stocks, you may be able to achieve a solid passive income before the traditional retirement age. Diversify your holdings to reduce the risk of losing everything because a company cratered. Number 1. Become a social media manager, WFM job. You can work from home and manage a few social media accounts of different brands. Many small business owners do not have the time to keep up with social media, so they like to hire freelancers who can work from home. A career in social media manager management is always in demand as companies fighting for online presence and recognition continue to grow. If you have a knack for social media, you can help local businesses maintain basic social media pages for contracted monthly fees. You need to have a creative mindset, writing skills, and an understanding of how content works on social media. These skills can be learned through online courses even if you do not have a degree or diploma. You need to stay informed about trends and tools in social media, marketing, technology, and advertising. Facebook and Instagram are the two most popular social media platforms for local businesses. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming releases. Check out our playlist for more great content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.